Hey, good morning. Welcome to breakfast with Active Art. Thanks for joining me. Love having company over for breakfast. Today, we're going to have a little bacon and eggs. We're going to scramble the eggs, add the bacon, and do a little swipe. Oh, almost put it in the coffee cup. I forgot that we're doing a swipe. All right. So, do it here. And I'm going to do the swipe from the middle. Let's see, and I like my bacon well done, so have a little mix in here. And sometimes I overcook my bacon because I'm trying to get it well done, and I'd rather it be overcooked. So add in a little burn. Black and my yellow. Alright. So I take that, mix the bacon up. Hope you guys have an exciting day planned. Have some projects you're looking forward to get into. So let me try this here. Alright. So let's try this here. Swipe. I might have messed up our bacon and eggs. Let's see if we can tilt our way out of this. I'll take some of the paint off. Can't send you all out into the world with a bad breakfast. So I'm going to try a little bit of a re-pour. Just swipe some. Okay, so now that cup that I was going to use, I'll use our little coffee cup to do a little pour. We got some eggs, bacon. Don't forget the crunchy part of the bacon. And a little bit of fat. And egg white. Here we go. Make sure there's no air bubbles. See if we can get more eggs than bacon on there. Let me catch this edge, and then I'm going to bring it back. Alright, well it looks, may have to practice cooking my eggs and bacon. But, experiments. Alright, y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow.